Welcome, fellow seekers of wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Today, we have an extraordinary video in store for you as we dive deep into the transformative world of adopting a money mindset and unlocking your true potential. Are you ready to claim abundance through right thinking about money? It all starts with cultivating a mindset focused on wealth and prosperity. Together, we will explore powerful strategies and principles that will help you rewire your thoughts and beliefs to attract financial abundance. The law of attraction holds incredible power when it comes to attracting money into your life. Discover how to harness this universal law and manifest wealth effortlessly. Get ready to explore the secrets of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and vibrations with the magnetic force of abundance. But it doesn't end there. We'll also reveal how gaining financial abundance goes beyond materialistic pursuits. By cultivating a spiritual connection and understanding the deeper meaning of wealth, you can tap into an infinite source of prosperity that transcends the boundaries of the physical world. Achieving personal liberty through financial independence is a dream many of us share. In this video, you'll also learn practical strategies to break free from the shackles of financial dependency and create a life of true freedom where your choices and possibilities are limitless. If you're new here, we kindly ask you to consider hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel to get continuous flow of motivational videos on manifestation. All right, let's get started. Learning to adopt a money mindset is a fundamental step towards creating the financial reality you desire. By shifting your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes about money, you open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities. Incorporating abundance into your mindset allows you to attract and manifest wealth in your life. One powerful technique to support this process is practicing positive affirmations, such as "I am abundant." When you consistently repeat these affirmations with belief and harmony, you activate the energy of abundance within you. This positive energy then ripples out into all areas of your life, increasing your well-being, health, happiness, and, of course, your prosperity. Friends, harmony plays a significant role in manifesting wealth and prosperity. It is found in having the right thinking and mental attitude towards money. When your thoughts and beliefs about money align with abundance and positivity, you create a harmonious environment for wealth to flow into your life effortlessly. In our quest for abundance and prosperity, it is crucial to understand the underlying truths that shape our relationship with wealth. Let's now explore some profound concepts that can transform our perspective on money and its role in our lives. Money, my friends, holds power because it comes from us, not the other way around. Too often, we view money as an object with power over us, causing stress, anxiety, and unhealthy attachments. But let's look at successful entrepreneurs like Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group. He understood that money is simply a tool that allows us to bring our visions to life. By shifting our perspective and recognizing that money is a product of our own creativity and resourcefulness, we regain control and use it as a means to bring positive change into the world. The universe, an infinitely abundant source of energy, provides everything necessary for our human needs. Farmers practicing regenerative methods understand that the earth has the capacity to provide an abundance of food and resources sustainably. By working in harmony with nature, they tap into the universal supply and create thriving ecosystems that benefit all living beings. To attract money, my friend, it all begins with harnessing the power of your inward strength and becoming one with that power. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the innate power that resides within you, you activate a magnetic force that draws abundance towards you. This inward power comes from recognizing and tapping into your limitless potential to create and manifest your desires. The law of attraction, an age-old universal principle, plays a significant role in manifesting money into your life. It states that like attracts like, and by focusing your thoughts, emotions, and energy on abundance, you draw that abundance back to you. Success stories abound, from individuals who have used the law of attraction to generate exponential wealth and prosperity, to businesses that have attracted massive success by aligning their vision with the power of attraction. Placing faith, my friends, is a critical component in drawing the necessary supplies at the exact moment of need. By having unwavering confidence and trust in yourself, justice, and the life force that permeates the universe, you open up avenues for the fulfillment of your desires. Faith empowers you to overcome obstacles, take inspired action, and attract the resources needed to manifest your financial goals. In a world where ordinary thinking is focused on chasing after desired things, it's time to reverse our thinking processes. By placing power, the recognition of your own inner strength, creativity, and potential before the desired things, you align yourself with the flow of abundance. When power takes precedence over desires, the path to manifesting money becomes clear, and the desired outcomes manifest effortlessly. Becoming the master over your own thoughts is a transformative journey. By gaining control over your thoughts, you gain mastery over your reality. When you harness the power of your mind and align it with your desired financial outcomes, your thoughts become tools that shape your reality. As you become a master of your thoughts and mental state, the external world begins to reflect your inner mastery. The concept of becoming master over things means that when you have control over your thoughts, desires, and intentions, the external world aligns with your desires and obeys accordingly. As we conclude this empowering journey towards success and abundance, let's reflect on some key insights that can shape our ideal definition of success and guide our path towards a prosperous future. Success, my friends, lies not only in external achievements, but in our mental attitude. It is about feeling empowered and having a deep sense of control over our lives. When we cultivate a mindset of empowerment, we unlock the potential within us to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and create the life we desire. To truly define success, it's important to eliminate fear, anxiety, ill health, and unhappiness from our ideal vision. True success encompasses not just financial prosperity, but also holistic well-being and genuine happiness. By prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being, we pave the way for a fulfilling and abundant life. Financial ease, often seen as a consequence of success, plays an integral role in our journey. By achieving a state of financial stability and freedom, we unlock the ability to pursue our passions, support causes we believe in, and make a positive impact in the world. Financial ease allows us the freedom to live life on our own terms and contribute meaningfully to society. The new thought suggests a different approach to achieving success. It emphasizes the importance of seeking God's kingdom, living righteously, and aligning ourselves with divine principles. By placing our focus on spiritual growth and embodying righteousness, we create a harmonious relationship with the universe. In turn, all the necessary things, wealth, opportunities, and resources will naturally flow into our lives. When it comes to business and career success, seeking opportunities should be replaced with the practice of mentally accepting them as already ours. By visualizing and affirming that the business we desire is already in our possession, we create a magnetic pull that attracts the right circumstances, connections, and opportunities to us naturally, without the need for force or manipulation. Finally, my friends, have unwavering faith that all desired conditions and manifestations will come to fruition when we consistently hold the right mental attitude. Doubt and mistrust can hinder the manifestation process, but by nurturing and maintaining a steadfast belief in our desired outcomes, we align ourselves with the universal forces that work to bring them into reality. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, I encourage you to integrate these principles into your life. Embrace empowerment, eliminate negative influences, seek financial ease, nurture your spirituality, let go of anxious thoughts, accept your desires, and hold unwavering faith. Remember, my friends, you have the power within you to manifest success and abundance in all areas of your life. As we part ways, may you embrace the mental attitude of success, trust in the manifestation process and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. God bless.